Hello everyone, this is High Tech Talk. So there is one new update in Instagram, that is watch history. So if you are scrolling your Instagram and you found some videos very attractive, and maybe later after an hour or in the evening or tomorrow, uh, you wanted that video but you haven't liked, comment or shared anything. So how to get that video that you have watched yesterday? So now Instagram have added this option. So I will show you in my mobile screen how to check that. Open your Instagram, click on the three line you can see on the top right. You will see the option as your activity. Here you can see the option as your activity. Just click on this and you need to scroll down, and here how you use Instagram. Under this you can find the option as watch history. So here you can go and find the reels that you have watched. Also you can search it with a filter, new to old, old new, date, author or anything you want to put it. So I hope you will find this video useful. Thank you.